All right. Good morning, India Vidyalaya Mountain. A very good morning to all of you.
Morning, sir.
We are here for celebrating the reading day, and so I request Lita Madam to start the proceedings.
I can't hear anything, sir.
Lita Madam, are you hearing? Yes, please start the program.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'll start. So, Honorable Principal, sir, Sri K. Alungkhumba, respected teachers, and my dear students. Today, the 19th of June, 2020, we all are gathered here to celebrate the occasions of Reading Day and Reading Day Week celebration. So we know that to learn, to read is to light a fire. Every syllable that is spelled out is a spark. Therefore, dear students, a book is a gift that you can open again and again. In fact, reading is very important because reading is very important because if you can read, you can learn anything about everything and everything about anything. So as we know that, today we are going to mark this occasion by 3 events. The first one is poetry recitation, which is going to be participated by classes 2 and 3. The second event is storytelling, which is going to be participated by 2 groups. Group 1 consists of class 4 and 5. Group B consists of class 6, 7, and 8. And the third event, that is drawing or painting, is going to be participated by classes 9, 10, and 12. So there are in total, in each group, there will be 2 students each for each section, 1 boy and 1 girl, and preferably 1 in Hindi and 1 in English. So with these words, I would like to request Dhanalakshmi Madam, librarian, to deliver the keynote address. Dhanalakshmi Ma'am. Dhanalakshmi. Hello? 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 Hello?
Lakshmi, please carry on.
Sir, I have requested Dhanalakshmi Madam to deliver the keynote address now, sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
It's like I cannot hear anything. Everything is so, humbling and so much of sound noise is coming, sir.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Hello. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, I'm delivering from the another. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, please
Can
carry
everyone
on.
hear me?
Yes. Is this Dhanalakshmi?
Yes, yes.
Okay, please deliver the keynote address, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, all.
Good morning. Good morning.
Respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear students. Today, the 19th of June is celebrated as a reading day to honor the father of library and literacy mission in Kerala, the late Sri P.M. Panikkar. Since 1996, it is celebrated as a reading day and has become a mass movement to promote the culture of reading. The government of Kerala and the government of India through Niti Aayog has entrusted the responsibility of celebrating the National Reading Day to P.N. Panikkar Foundation and P.N. Panikkar Vigyan Vikas Kendra. This year, during this pandemic, the foundation has collaboration with the NITI Aayog and carrying out various reading activities through technology-enabled mediums like digital media, e-resources, and emphasis on promoting the e-technology through video conferencing, webinar, and all the activities conducted online. So today we are also conducting the same program through online activities. So let us all come together and cultivate the culture of reading within us. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. So with this, with Mrs. Dana Lakshmi, madam, thank you for delivering the keynote address. Now it is exactly 9 a.m. and I will therefore request our honorable principal sir to please administer the pledge. Sir, Alunkumba sir.
Thank you, madam, for the time, and thank you, Dana Lakshmi, madam, for the keynote address. Actually, the online is not working at the moment, and so we shall read the pledge from my screen. You can see the screen, and when I say I, you will say your own name. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When I say I and I will say my name, at that time you all will say your own name.
Okay.
So here the reading day pledge begins. Today. Please follow me. Today. I, K. Alunkumba.
I, C.H. Elita Devi.
Of Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Of Kendra Vidyalaya.
Hall number 2, Lansing.
Imphal number 2, Lansing.
Stand and pledge.
Stand and pledge.
With full faith.
With full faith.
Of my ability.
Of my ability.
To
grow through.
Reading and discussions.
Reading and discussion.
I pledge to promote.
I pledge to promote.
The development of. My country. Bharat. Through judicious reading. Of books. As well as digital reading. And through right action. I shall read books. And practice. Digital reading. For knowledge. As well as technological empowerment. I shall sign. The light of knowledge. Gain.
I can't hear anything.
To solve the problem. I face. As well as the challenges.
Challenges affect country.
That affect my country. I realize that Today, we faced multiple challenges.
We face multiple challenges.
Be it corruption, substance abuse, or environmental problems.
Problems.
I shall make reading
a
habit and be a solution
Solution
to these challenges.
challenges.
I shall ensure
I shall
ensure
best compliance
compliance
to the
legal framework
of my country and shall strive
for a secure and
secular atmosphere.
I shall strive to raise
the value of knowledge and the pride of my country with
my thoughts
words and deeds. So help me God. Jai Hind.
Words and deeds.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the pledge. Now, we can proceed with the with the first event of this day, that is storytelling. And this is going to be participated by, poetry recitation, This is going to be participated by class 2A, who is going to be represented by N. Wanggon Leima in Hindi, Chirag Nath in English. Yes, is Wanggon Leima ready? Yes, all the participants of class 2A, 2B, 3A, and 3B. Yes. So, can I just, yes. Now, the first participant will be by N. Wanggon Leima in Hindi, Chirag Nath in English, followed by Divya Sri in Hindi, Y. Nimbus Singh in English in 2B. In class 3A, Tania in Hindi, Lanchin B in English. In class 3B will be Soyab Tabassum in Hindi and Pahirani in English. So all the participants, are you ready to take part in this competition? Yes? Wanggon Leima? Yes, okay. So all the judges of this event, please get ready. So let's start the event with Wanggon Leima.
Very beautiful girl.
Wanggon Leima, are you there?
Hello. Wanggon Leima say tiếng Việt rồi. Wanggon Leima, I think to a. Cái đời này gì? Đi tàu một cái gì? Đó là. Number 2. Wanggon Leima say tiếng Việt. Say tiếng Việt Wanggon Leima. Ah.
पानी पी का चल तुरंत पानी पी का तुरंत देर ना कर पानी पी का जल्दी से रेडी हो जाए एकदम आधा नहीं है
이건 좀 빠에 담는 이유다. 미팅들 해야 돼요. 밥만 먹는 이미 그 수도 있는. 그냥 그러면 나 말아 얘기가 주고. 근데 그게 판미네. 그냥 나. 시간이 되실래나?
Wanggon Leima, please start again because there were a lot of disturbances when you are reciting the poem. Wanggon Leima, can you hear me?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please start.
Good morning, teachers and friends. My name is Wankolema. I read in class 2A at KB Lounge number 2. मेरे कविता का नाम है ऊट चला भाई ऊट चला उल्टा उल्टा ऊट चला ऊट चला भाई ऊट चला ऊंची गर्दन ऊंची पीठ उठाई ऊट चला बालू है तो होने दो का बालू में भी ऊट चला जब थककर बैठेगा किसका साथ बैठेगा बता सकेगा कौन बोला ऊट चला भाई ऊट चला धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Wangolema. Thank you so much. Now, the next participant is Chirag Nath in Hindi. Sorry, in English. Class 2A, Chirag, are you there? Chirag Nath? Chirag is present. Chirag is present or not? Is Chirag not present? Hello? 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 Is Chirag present? Hello? Is Chirag present? Chirag is present or not? Chirag not is present or not? Is Chirag present to start his recitation in English? Is Chirag not present or not? Hello? Is Chirag is present?
Hello.
Hello? Is Chirag present? Chirag? Hello?
If not present, please carry on with the next candidate.
Okay, so I take it Chirag is not here. So let's go ahead with 2B. The next participant is Divyasri and in Hindi. Divyasri, are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please start your recitation. Divyasri.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दिव्याश्री रमाचरम है. आज मैं कविता सुनाने वाली हूँ. कविता का नाम है ऊट चला भाई ऊट चला हिलता धुलता ऊट चला इतना ऊंचा ऊट चला भाई ऊट चला ऊंची गर्दन ऊंची पीठ उठाए ऊट चला बालू है तो होने दो बोझ उसको धोने दो नहीं फंसेगा बालू में भी ऊट चला जब थककर बैठेगा इस करवट बैठेगा बता सकेगा कौन भला ऊट चला भाई ऊट चला. धन्यवाद.
Thank you Divyasri, very nice. Now the next participant is Y Nimbus Singh, 2B. Nimbus, are you present? Y Nimbus Singh, 2B, are you present? Nimbus, yes. Nimbus, are you present or not? Nimbus, if you present, say yes. Nimbus is not present. Is Nimbus present or not? So, Nimbus is present or not? Hello? Is Nimbus present? Hello? Yes, Nimbus is present, isn't it? Yes, thank you. Nimbus, please start your recitation in English. No, someone is speaking. It should be Nimbus. Nimbus Singh of class 2B. Is Nimbus present? Hello? Shall I take it Nimbus is absent? Hello?
Hello. I think, ma'am, Nimbus is absent.
Okay, then
He's
we will
not
proceed.
responding.
Okay, then
कहाँ गई?
we will proceed to the class 3A. So the third participant, please stop speaking. Somebody is speaking. Sarangi Lojita is speaking. Please stop speaking. Yes, the third participant is Tania of class 3A, and she is going to recite the poem in Hindi. Tania, are you present?
Yes.
Tania? Yes. Please start.
नमस्ते अध्यापक एवं मित्रों, मैं तानिया सिंह कक्षा 3 सेक्शन 8 अशोका हाउस मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका नाम मन करता है। मन करता है सूरज बनकर आसमान में दौड़ लगाऊं, मन करता है चंद्रा बनकर सब तारों पर अकड़ जमाऊं, मन करता है बाबा बनकर मैं भी घर में सब पर ढाल जमाऊं, मन करता है पापा बनकर मैं भी अपने मुंह को बनाऊं, मन करता है तितली बनकर दूर दूर तक उड़ता जाऊं, मन करता है कोयल बनकर मीठे मीठे बोल सुनाऊं, मन करता है चिड़िया बनकर चू चू चींची शोर मचाऊं, मन करता है चरखी लेकर पीले लाल पतंग उड़ाऊं। धन्यवाद।
Dhanyawad, Tania. Now the next participant will be Lanchenbi, and she'll be reciting in English. Is Lanchenbi of 3A present? Lanchenbi? Yes. Is Lanchenbi present or not? Hello? Hello, is Lanchenbi present? Hello? Lanchenbi is again present or not? Hello? Yes, is Lanchenbi? Yes, what
Ma'am,
present?
I could not hear Tanya at all. Her
Oh,
voice
that's.
was breaking.
Oh, shall we ask her
I
again to
could not
recite?
hear her at all.
Okay. So Tanya,
Yes.
Tanya, Madam want to listen again. Tanya, there were some disturbances. So एक बार फिर आपका poem recited कीजिएगा.
नमस्ते।
So Madam, can you hear now?
नमस्ते
Yes, ma'am.
अध्यापक
She start now.
Yeah, okay.
मैं तानिया सिंह कक्षा 3 सेक्शन 8 अशोका हाउस आपके समक्ष एक कविता सुनाऊंगी। का नाम है मन करता है। मन करता है सूरज बनकर आसमान में दौड़ लगाऊं, मन करता है चंदा बनकर सब तारों पर अकड़ जमाऊं, मन करता है बाबा बनकर घर में सब पर ढाल जमाऊं, मन करता है पापा बनकर मैं भी अपनी मूछ बढ़ाऊं, मन करता है तितली बनकर दूर दूर तक उड़ता जाऊं, मन करता है कोयल बनकर मीठे मीठे बोल सुनाऊं, मन करता है चिड़िया बनकर चींची शोर मचाऊं, मन करता है चरखी लेकर पीले लाल पतंग उड़ाऊं।
Coming here. I cannot hear properly.
So many background noise.
Someone
I
is
think
talking
someone,
behind, na?
yes, someone is talking. Quarantine के बारे में भी बोल रहे हैं कुछ. All of you, all the parties. Hello, all the participants are requested to keep silent.
Hello,
maintain
Rosie
silence.
is there? Rosie ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, can you hear her?
yes, Neha, I'm here.
Wait, please wait.
Is present. Will you be able to do the recitation? Lanchenbi? Lanchenbi, is he present or not? I think
Lanchenbi Karam.
Is he present or not? No. I think she's not there. So we'll proceed with the next class, that is 3B. The first participant is Shoyab Tabassum, who will be reciting in Hindi. Shoyab, are you present or not? Shoyab Tabassum. Shoyab, are you there or not?
Shoaib is there.
So, that person has to unmute it and have to speak it, sir. But I don't know whether he can hear it or not.
Ma'am,
Sir.
Shoaib is there. I can see her,
Yeah,
but I think her mic is muted.
But again, I think we have to request her to unmute her, Shoaib, because I think probably she
Shoaib
doesn't know how.
Tabassum.
Yes, sir. Alung sir, can you unmute the mic of Shoaib Tabassum, because Shoaib Tabassum class 3B.
माइक अनम्यूट है मैम उनका।
उसका शायद अनम्यूट नहीं कर पाया, इसलिए नहीं।
वो सुन रहा है लेकिन अनम्यूट नहीं कर पाया।
Shoaib,
नहीं, हमको सुनाई नहीं देगा। We have to, yes, that person has to unmute.
Shoaib Tabassum, आपका अपना माइक अनम्यूट कर दो। माइक का सिंबल है ना, वहाँ पे क्लिक कर दो जहाँ रेड है ना उसमें।
ओके मैम।
Yes.
Okay.
Shoaib? Hello, Shoaib?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Shoaib. You can start your recitation now.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है शोएब तबस्सुम। मैं 3 कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। मेरा कविता को रमेश चंद्र साहा ने लिखा हूँ। उसका नाम है कक्कू। नाम है उसका कक्कू। कक्कू माने कोयल होता, लेकिन नहीं तो झुंबर होता, इसीलिए हम इससे चिढ़ाते कहते इसको सक्कू। नाम है उसका कक्कू। कोयल माने मिश्री जैसी मीठी जिसकी बोली, यह तो जाता भरे करो जब इससे तनिक छिछोली, इसीलिए तो कभी कभी हम कहते इसको गुक्कू। नाम है उसका कक्कू। कक्कू आज जो गाना गाए, बात बात में जो चिढ़ जाए, रहता मुंह तो सदा फुलाए, गाना जिसको जरा न आए, ऐसे जगरालू को अब से क्यों न कहे हम जग्गू। नाम है उसका कक्कू। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Shoaib. Very beautifully recited. The next participant is, yes, the next participant is Pahirani of 3B again, who will be reciting in English. Is Pahirani present or not? Pahirani? Yes, Roji, please ask whether Pahi is present or not, because I cannot see it from here. Hello? Hello? Pahirani of class 3. Yes. Is he present?
Just let me check, okay?
Yes,
just
yes.
let me check. Give me a second.
Okay.
I think she's absent.
Okay.
Can't see her.
Okay, in that case, so we have so far only 4 participants. Wangol Laima of the class 2A, Divasri of again of the 2B, then Tania Singh of 3A, and Shoaib Tabassum of 3B. So only 4 participants are there in this poetry recitation competition. So next event will be storytelling. I have to take leave because I have a very urgent work at the hospital, ma'am. So, sir, if you, with your kind permission, can I take leave now? Because the next event will be storytelling again.
Yes, one of the 3 judges will anchor the program.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Otherwise, the list is with the Dhanalakshmi madam also.
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
You please continue to coordinate the program, and judges will anchor the program.
Thank you so much. It was a very nice experience, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
What time the next event is starting?
Sir, if all participants are present, we can carry on.
Yes, if all are there, then you can carry on. Otherwise, as per the program, time slot is there. Just check, and if all are there and judges are there, please carry on. Dhanalakshmi,
Okay,
you
sir.
coordinate. You can perhaps you can anchor the program, and judges will be, they will be judging the competition.
को बिना मतलब के मार के खा जाता था। एक दिन जानवरों ने जंगल में एक बैठक बिठाई। उस बैठक में शेर को भी बुलाया गया था। जब शेर वहां पहुंचा तो बंदर ने कहा, महाराज, आप हमें ऐसे ही खाते रहोगे तो हमें से कोई नहीं बचेगा। हम लोग एक एक करके आपके पास आपके भूख मिटाने के लिए आएंगे। शेर राजी हो गया। दिन बीतता गया। एक दिन खरगोश की बारी आई। जब खरगोश वहां पहुंची तो शेर ने खरगोश से कहा, तुम्हें यहाँ आने में इतनी देर क्यों लगा दी? खरगोश बोली, हम 6 लोग थे, लेकिन रास्ते में एक और शेर आके दूसरों को खा लिया। बस मैं बची, इसलिए मैं आपके पास आ गई। शेर बहुत ही गुस्सा हो गया और खरगोश से कहा, मुझे वहां ले चलो जहां तुमने वो शेर देखा था। खरगोश शेर को एक कुएं के पास ले गई। जब शेर ने अपनी परछाई कुएं में देखी तो उसने सोचा कि वो दूसरा शेर कुएं के अंदर छुपा है। तो शेर कुएं के अंदर खुद कूद गया और डूब के मर गया। इस कहानी से हमें ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि बुद्धिमत्ता शारीरिक शक्ति से श्रेष्ठ है। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद तितिक्षा। अगला पार्टिसिपेंट है चेल्सी मकान, क्लास 5A। चेल्सी, आर यू देयर?
Yes. Can we start?
Yes, you can start.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Chelsea Makan. I read in class 5A of KV Imphal number 2 CRPF Lounging. Today I am going to recite the poem Ice Cream Man. When summer's in the city and brings a blast of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink. From bottle full of frosty feast, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. By Rachel Phil. Thank you.
Okay. But
My story is ordered a grand dinner in his place. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook. pointing to the basket. Of scraps near the cook. They are waste. We will throw them away. You cannot waste all the bites and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the bites, washed them, and cleaned them. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a hot pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tumping smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry leaf. Curry decorated the dish with curry leaf. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Aval. Aval became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in traditional Kerala feast. And imagine it all came from a basket of waste. Thank you.
And 5 storytelling. I thank all the participants and all the judges for your valuable time. So let us meet. Thank you all. Mary Rose ma'am, anything you want to share? Please unmute your mic.
Like maybe due to the net also, some students, their recitation or their storytelling, it is not very clear. Not all, some maybe due to the network, maybe also. And then some, instead of, it's a storytelling, but I don't know how some are reciting poem. And this is the first time, so maybe next time they will improve. Otherwise, overall, it's fine. Or have done well. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you all. Let's wind up for this session.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ बोलिए.
हेलो।
हाँ सर बोलिए, सुन रही हूँ।
वो एक बच्चा मिसिंग हो गया था, वो उसने ज्वाइन कर लिया, वो हिंदी वाला।
कौन सा? Kamai. Katasilu. Okay, okay. Katasilu. He's there.
ये अभी फोन करके बताया है।
अच्छा, then is
शायद कनेक्ट हो रहा है।
okay. Let's wait for her.
प्रैक्टिस करना है। देखिए बैठी रहती हो, देखो किधर कांपने लगी, आंख में आंसू आ गया, बोल।
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
मोबाइल 44 हो गए।
I request all of you to mute the mic. Only the participants and the judges will. Please mute your mic. Mic बंद कर दीजिए. Only the participants and the judges will unmute. Trisha. Okay. Princey, mic बंद करो.
Okay.
Mic बंद.
इसी टाइम पे सब फोन कर रहे हैं। मैम मोबाइल का बैटरी लो हो रहा है, मैं रिलीव कर रही हूँ।
मैडम कुछ आवाज आ रही है?
हेलो मैम, आवाज आ रही है? मम्मी ईयरफोन दो।
Kamai, are you there? Kamai, Katasilu.
हेलो सर। मैम वो ग्रुप बी का कब स्टार्ट होगा?
ग्रुप बी का कब स्टार्ट होगा?
हेलो सर, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ मैम।
I think Katashalu is ready.
हाँ, Katashalu is ready? Hello?
Katashalu, are you ready?
अरे हमारा नाम नहीं लिए हैं, कदाशलो का लिए।
Katashalu?
कताशिलू। हेलो सर, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, आ रहा है बेटा।
आ रही है।
Katashalu?
हेलो सर, आई एम राशि तिवारी।
हेलो?
हेलो सर, आई एम राशि तिवारी।
Oh, Rashi Tiwari. Okay, okay. बेटा
Katashalu. Where is Katashalu? Katashalu, are you ready?
Yes.
If Katashalu is ready, let her start, ma'am.
Then with me?
Oh, जाओ, please जाओ।
हाँ मैम, Katashalu present. हेलो?
Hemraj sir.
हाँ मैम। Katashalu present.
Nalakshmi ma'am, please call on to Katashalu. Come by Katashalu.
Yeah. Katashalu, mic unmute करिए। Katashalu, mic unmute करिए, mic unmute। unmute करिए। हेलो?
हेलो?
माइक अनम्यूट करिए बेटा।
हाँ, Goldilocks and the tree, Goldilocks और 3 बालों।
एक मिनट, माइक अनम्यूट करिए, माइक माइक।
माइक तो अनम्यूट करो। म्यूट करो, अनम्यूट करो। तो कौन था दे?
Goldilocks और 3 बालों।
ये Katashalu। ओके।
Goldilocks और 3 बालों।
Estamos niba. তই কিন্তু সেইফালে গৈ আছ দেই, তই মানুহ যে কাৰোবাৰ গাত পৰে নহয়, সেইটো সৰি পেলাই।
हेलो?
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 बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रहा। हाँ ओके। हाँ Katashalu, आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ।
ओके। रेडी?
Yes.
ओके ओके। हाँ तो स्टार्ट।
Goldilocks और 3
Boy, I cannot hear you.
Goldilocks और 3 बालों।
हेलो?
हेलो?
आवाज नहीं आ रहा बेटा आपका।
रुको सर। हेलो?
हेलो
हेलो
हेलो आ रहा है
बस सर
그때기 내서디 오늘 클래스디 뭐 이게 요니 그린지 설미 정도 뭐야 오늘.
सर
हाँ
सर अभी आवाज आ रही है
हाँ आ रहा है
सर करो
हाँ हाँ ठीक है ऐसा करिए
गोल्डीलॉक्स और तीन भालू गोल्डीलॉक्स और तीन भालू एक बार गोल्डीलॉक्स जंगल में जा रही थी। उसको एक छोटा सा घर मिला। उस छोटे से घर में वो घुस गई। उसको 3 कुर्सियां मिली। 3 कुर्सियों में से उसने बड़ा वाला कुर्सी को बैठा, वो बैठ नहीं पाए। दूसरी कुर्सी में बैठा, वो भी बैठ नहीं पाए। सबसे छोटा वाला कुर्सी में बैठा तो वो कुर्सी टूट गई और उसको 3 चावल के टोकरी मिले। बड़ा वाला चावल उसने खाया तो वो बहुत गर्म था और थोड़ा छोटा वाला खाया तो वो बहुत ठंडा था। सबसे छोटा वाला खाया तो उसको अच्छा लगा और उसने खत्म कर दिया। में चली गई और उसको बिस्तर मिला। बिस्तर में से वो बड़ा वाला बिस्तर में सोई तो वो बहुत सख्त था। दूसरे बिस्तर में सोई तो वो बहुत नरम था। छोटा वाला बिस्तर में सोई तो वो उसके लिए अच्छा था और वो सो गई। और वो 3 भालू आए घर में और उन्होंने देखा कि उनका बेटे का चेयर टूट गया है और उनका बेटे का खाना भी खत्म हो गया है। तो वो बेटा रोने लगा और ऊपर चला गया तो गोल्डीलॉक्स सोई हुई थी और उन्होंने उठाया और गोल्डीलॉक्स भाग गए घर से। खत्म हो गया।
ओके थैंक यू
वेलकम।
हेलो
हेलो
मैम
हेलो हाँ डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था मेरा। हो गया उसका?
हाँ मैम हो गया
तो
प्राइमरी क्लासेस सबका फिनिश हो गया मैम।
तो
हेलो
प्राइमरी का पूरा हो गया ना?
हाँ प्राइमरी क्लासेस कंप्लीट हो गया। अब क्लासेस मैम
आवाज नहीं आ रही अच्छे से। हेलो हाँ
मैम कुछ टाइम ने मीटिंग ज्वाइन करने के लिए अब ज्वाइन किया है मीटिंग देखने के लिए।
अच्छा अभी तो प्राइमरी का तो पूरा हो गया। नेक्स्ट सेशन 1 बजे से स्टार्ट होगा। 6 to 8 का जो स्टोरी टेलिंग है 1 बजे 1 बजे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं सब।
मिस अभी जा सकती हो?
जी एक बार आप सबको बोल दीजिए।
अभी जाके 1 बजे 10 मिनट से पहले ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं आप लोग।
ठीक है
ओके
हाँ